Welcome back to Kitchen Wisdom. Grab your coffee or whatever warm, comforting drink you've got and make yourself at home. Today we're talking about something every coffee and tea lover has faced at least once. Those stubborn brown stains that seem to have permanently moved into your favorite cup. This episode, Easy Way to Remove Coffee and Tea Stains from Cups, is all about saving those beloved mugs and maybe your pride when guests come over. I'll admit, I have a favorite mug that's been with me through thick and thin. Early morning editing sessions, recipe testing days, and countless just one more cup afternoons. It's my ride or die. But one day, I caught a glimpse inside and thought, wow, that's not a coffee shadow. That's a whole art installation. That was the moment I realized I needed to do something about it. So, grab that stained mug sitting next to you. It's okay, no judgment here. And let's clean it up together. I promise, it's easier than you think, and you won't even need to leave your kitchen. All right, here's the deal. Those brown rings and spots you see, they're not dirt, they're science. The stains come from tannins, those same little compounds that give your tea or coffee its beautiful color and bold flavor. The problem is, tannins also love to cling to the tiny pores in your ceramic mugs, like stubborn house guests who won't leave. Over time, they just settle in. And the dishwasher, bless its heart, but it's no match for tannins. Dish soap can't fully break down those compounds, especially when they've been baked in after multiple coffee refills and a few too many microwave reheats. So, if you've ever caught yourself turning your cup just right during a Zoom call so no one sees inside, don't worry. You're not alone and your cup isn't ruined. It just needs a little spa day. My friend's go-to cleaning trick, aka the baking soda miracle. This is actually my friend's favorite method. She swears by it. She uses baking soda and a splash of water. And honestly, after seeing her results, I have to agree it works like magic. She sprinkles about a teaspoon of baking soda right into the mug and adds just enough water to form a thick paste. Think toothpaste consistency. Then she gently scrubs the inside using a soft sponge or even her fingers. Within seconds, the brown stains lift right off like they were never there. It's so satisfying to watch, almost like one of those cleaning videos you can't stop watching. If the stains have been around since last Christmas, she lets the paste sit for about 15 minutes before scrubbing. Sometimes she adds a tiny drop of dish soap to give it a little extra boost. Just a fair warning, don't go in with steel wool. My friend learned that lesson the hard way when her mug came out, looking like it had been through a scuffle. Gentle pressure works best. The goal is a smooth, happy mug, not a war-torn one. If baking soda isn't your thing or you're out of it, first, how? Vinegar soak. Fill the mug halfway with white vinegar, then top it off with hot water. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. The vinegar's acidity breaks down the tannins without harsh scrubbing. Rinse, wash as usual, and voila, your mug's new lease on life. If you can't stand the vinegar smell, and trust me, I get it, follow up with a quick rinse of lemon juice to freshen it up. This is my personal go-to method, the one I use regularly because it's quick, easy, and honestly works every single time. I fill the mug halfway with hot water, add a splash of white vinegar, and just a tiny drop of dishwashing soap. I let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes while I tidy out the kitchen or sip another cup of coffee in a different mug, of course. After that, I lightly scrub the inside with a sponge or a kitchen brush. It doesn't take much effort. Those stains practically slide right off. It's simple, effective, and requires no fancy tools, just the everyday kitchen staples you already have. This combo is like a mini power team. The vinegar breaks down the tannins, the soap lifts away residue, and the hot water gives everything that extra boost. And honestly, it's become my secret weapon for keeping my coffee mugs photo ready. Salt and lemon combo. Sprinkle salt in the mug, then rub it with half a lemon, like you're giving it a deep tissue massage. The natural abrasiveness of the salt, combined with the lemon's acidity, works wonders. Plus, it smells amazing, like your mug's having a citrusy spa day. Baking soda plus hydrogen peroxide. This combo is for the serious cases. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and let it sit for a few hours. The fizzing action works like a charm on long-term stains. Just rinse well afterward. I've made it a ritual now. Every Sunday morning, when the kitchen's quiet and the coffee pot's brewing, I line up my mugs and give them a little refresh. Along with that, I also clean out my fridge's water pitcher, reusable water bottles, and all those stubber straws. I use the same vinegar and dish soap method. It works like a charm for keeping everything sparkling clean and free from that stale water smell. It's weirdly therapeutic. Some people meditate. I scrub coffee stains. I even set a timer and see which method works faster. Spoiler, baking soda still wins. It's also a great little family task. My daughter joins in sometimes, though she's more interested in creating foam volcanoes than cleaning. Still, it's a fun way to make chores feel less like chores. And after that, my cups gleam again. There's something about drinking your morning coffee from a spotless white mug that just feels right, like starting the day with a clean slate, literally. Now, there are times when a mug just can't be saved. Maybe it's scratched inside, chipped, or just so stained it looks antique. Don't toss it though, repurpose it. I've turned a few into mini planters. One has basil, another has a little succulent that somehow survived my care. You can also use them for storing kitchen tools, pens, or even makeup brushes. It's recycling, but cute. But for the ones that can be saved, you'll be amazed how new they look once you clean them. They practically sparkle, and somehow the coffee tastes just a little bit better. Or maybe that's just me justifying another cup. At the end of the day, cleaning your mugs isn't about perfection. It's about those small, satisfying wins that make your space feel good. You don't need expensive cleaners or hours of scrubbing, just a little baking soda, water, and 5 minutes. It's simple, it works, and it might just become your new favorite form of kitchen therapy. So next time you're sipping your coffee, take a peek inside that cup. If it's looking a little well-loved, you know what to do. And if you want to see exactly how I clean my cups and watch me accidentally create a baking soda volcano on camera, head over to my blog and YouTube channel at Arina Photography. I've got a full video tutorial, before and after photos, and a few giggles in between. Now, go give your mugs the makeover they deserve and pour yourself a fresh cup while you're at it.